other side, wasn't it? Just turned in there. Brakes. He's just slipped his bind. Franks there, I think. And they've got to get their set piece right. You've just seen the line outs have been a problem. I actually think Reece Goods there as well. On the loose head side for the Hurricanes. Just needed to get his bind up a bit as well.